Hello there, friend. The kitchen is truly a special place in any home. It's where we gather with loved ones and share stories over warm meals. The aroma of baking fills the air, and life happens here. So what makes a kitchen truly aesthetic and beautiful? It's a mix of how it looks and how it works. An aesthetic kitchen feels inviting and warm. It should be a reflection of your personal style. It's not about following every trend blindly. A beautiful kitchen is both lovely to look at and a joy to use. Functionality is crucial in a beautiful kitchen design. A kitchen that looks pretty but doesn't work well isn't ideal. Everything should have its proper place, making tasks easier. Good workflow makes cooking a more pleasant experience. A truly beautiful kitchen works hard for you and your family. It supports your daily routines with ease and grace. Your kitchen style should feel like a part of you. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Maybe you love a farmhouse look or something more modern. The goal is to create a kitchen that you genuinely love spending time in. Let's explore how to make your kitchen a beautiful masterpiece. The kitchen is often called the heart of the home. It's the central hub where everyone tends to gather. From busy morning breakfasts to relaxed evening chats, it's a place of connection and comfort for the whole family. This space holds more than just appliances. An aesthetic kitchen can bring joy to your daily tasks. Imagine starting your day in a space that feels uplifting. Cooking meals becomes a more enjoyable and creative process. When your surroundings are beautiful, it lifts your spirits. It makes the ordinary moments feel special. A thoughtfully designed kitchen invites you to linger. It turns everyday routines into pleasant rituals. A beautiful kitchen can also be a source of great inspiration. You might feel inspired to try out new recipes. An aesthetic kitchen can make you want to host friends and family. It becomes a backdrop for making wonderful new memories. Investing your time and effort into your kitchen is worthwhile. A beautiful and functional kitchen enhances your quality of life. It's about making your home a more loving and nurturing place. The first step to creating a beautiful kitchen is to make some space. We need a clear canvas to work with, friend. Clutter can make even the prettiest kitchen feel chaotic. It hides the true potential of your space. So let's roll up our sleeves and make room for beauty to shine through. Decluttering can feel overwhelming, but start simple and take it slow. Choose just one drawer or one section of your countertop. Small, consistent efforts add up to big changes. Be patient with yourself and the process. Use the keep, donate, discard method. Ask yourself, do I use this item regularly? Does it work well? Do I love it? Letting go of things you no longer need can be freeing. It creates space for things that genuinely serve you. A clutter-free kitchen feels lighter and more open. Your countertops will look more spacious. Your cabinets will feel less stuffed and more organized. This is the fresh start your kitchen deserves. Once you've cleared away the clutter, it's time to organize. Giving everything a designated home makes life easier. You'll know exactly where to find what you need. An organized kitchen brings a sense of calm and order. It's about making your kitchen work smarter for you. Think about how you use your kitchen every day. Keep the items you use most often in easy-to-reach places. Store everyday dishes, glasses, and silverware near the dishwasher or sink. Items you use less frequently can be stored away. This thoughtful placement will streamline your daily routines. Don't be afraid to use smart storage solutions. Drawer dividers are wonderful for keeping utensils tidy. Pretty baskets can hide less attractive items in plain sight. Clear jars are perfect for storing staples like flour, sugar, and pasta. Vertical storage for baking sheets and cutting boards is great too. An organized kitchen is truly a calm and joyful kitchen. It saves you precious time and energy each day. Imagine how much smoother your mornings will be. When your kitchen is well organized, it just feels right. It reduces stress and makes your daily tasks more enjoyable. Section 5. Painting your palette. Choosing colors that speak to you. Color has a powerful impact on the mood of your kitchen. Think about how you want your kitchen to feel. Do you want it to be a calm and serene oasis, or a cheerful and energizing hub? The colors you choose will help create that atmosphere. A great place to start is with a neutral base. Colors like whites, soft creams, or gentle grays are wonderful choices. These shades make a space feel bright, airy, and open. They also provide a versatile backdrop for other elements. Once you have your neutral base, you can add accent colors. Think about colors that make you happy or feel peaceful. A soft muted blue can bring a sense of tranquility. A warm terracotta or a gentle sage green can add earthiness. You can introduce these accent colors in small, thoughtful doses. perhaps through your backsplash, an accent wall, or kitchen accessories. Don't forget the beauty of natural wood tones. Wood brings warmth and character to a kitchen. Your overall color palette should feel cohesive and harmonious. Choose colors that truly speak to your heart. Section 6. Let there be light. Illuminating your kitchen's beauty. Good lighting is essential in any kitchen. It's not just about being able to see what you're doing. Lighting also plays a huge role in the overall mood. It can make your kitchen feel warm, inviting, and welcoming. The right lighting can truly transform a space. It highlights the beautiful features you've chosen. It's a good idea to layer your lighting in the kitchen. This means using different types of lights for different purposes. First, you need good overhead lighting for general brightness. Then, think about task lighting for your work areas. Under-cabinet lights are fantastic for illuminating countertops. Pendant lights over an island also provide focused light. Next, consider adding some pretty accent lights. A beautiful pendant light over your kitchen island can be a focal point, or a small cozy lamp placed on a countertop can add warmth. Accent lighting helps to create a layered, inviting atmosphere. And of course, we can't forget about natural light. Natural light makes any space feel happier, brighter, and more alive. If you have windows in your kitchen, keep them clear. Let that glorious sunshine stream in as much as possible. Section 7. Texture and touch. Adding depth with materials. Texture is an important element in making a kitchen feel interesting. It's all about how things feel to the touch and how they look. Texture adds depth, warmth, and character to your space. It prevents a kitchen from feeling flat or one-dimensional. Think about creating a space that engages all the senses. A kitchen with varied textures is inviting and rich. It's these subtle details that make a big difference. A wonderful way to introduce texture is by mixing different materials. Don't be afraid to combine smooth with rough or shiny with matte. Think about natural materials like wood, stone, and metal. A chunky wooden cutting board looks lovely on a countertop. Metal handles and fixtures can add a touch of shine or an industrial feel. A stone countertop brings in a natural, earthy element. These combinations create visual interest and tactile appeal. Your backsplash is a fantastic place to introduce texture. Consider using handmade tiles with slight imperfections. Natural stone like marble or slate brings unique patterns and textures. Soft textiles are another easy way to add coziness and texture. Think about a durable yet attractive rug in front of the sink. These textile elements make the kitchen feel more like home. Section 8. The finishing touches. Decorating with purpose and personality. Now we've come to the really fun part, friend decorating. This is where you can truly let your personality shine. It's about adding those special touches that make the kitchen yours. The goal is to create a space that feels unique and welcoming. Think of decorating as adding the jewelry to your kitchen outfit. These details bring warmth, character, and life. Your kitchen should be a reflection of what you love. One of my favorite ways to decorate is by adding greenery. Plants bring so much life and freshness to any space. A small herb garden on your windowsill is perfect. Or consider a trailing plant hanging from an open shelf. Even a simple vase of fresh flowers can brighten the room. Display items that are meaningful and beautiful to you. Don't hide all your pretty things away in cabinets. Showcase some of your favorite dishes on open shelves. A stack of your most used cookbooks can be decorative too. Remember to keep your decorating simple and purposeful. A few well-chosen items will have a bigger impact. Choose items that bring you joy every time you see them. Section 9. Your beautiful beginning. Embracing the journey to an aesthetic kitchen. Transforming your kitchen into an aesthetic masterpiece is a journey. It's not something that usually happens overnight, and that's okay. Be patient with yourself and with the entire process. Enjoy each step along the way, no matter how small. Think of it as lovingly crafting a space for your family. Every little change contributes to the bigger picture. This is your unique path to a more beautiful kitchen. Embrace it with an open heart and a creative spirit. The best way to start is to begin small. Don't feel like you have to tackle everything at once. Instead, pick just one thing to focus on this week. Maybe it's decluttering one single cabinet or drawer. Or perhaps you decide to choose a new paint color. These small steps are powerful and build momentum. You'll find that gradual changes make a big impact. Each small improvement adds up over time. Celebrate these little victories along the way. Your kitchen has so much potential to be a beautiful space. Create a space that nurtures your family and brings you joy.